Okay, what is up, everyone? So my new action cam came in today, so this is gonna be live. Bear with me. I'm working out the bugs of a new action cam here. So I got the Sony HDR AS300R with a bunch of other accessories. As you can see here, we get a nice Shoei box. I love Shoei. It's so good. All right. Oh yeah, look at that. I love this. So this is like the first real, I wouldn't say expensive helmet that I bought, probably mid-range, but yeah, and whatnot. So there we are. Get a ShoeiRF1200 Snell dot approved, the gold visor on it. And if you're wondering why it's so large, it's because I have a massive head. Like it's Cro-Magnon style. And the reason I wanted to get the Shoei was because, like I said, I was riding a Bell qualifier before, and riding a super naked bike with a qualifier is not ideal because you have no bubble, you have no windscreen, so you're just getting the wind right in your face. Super nakeds are not so bad with the wind blast. It's more the wind noise in the helmet. So the reason I wanted to get an RF1200 and the reason I was really excited for it was the optional installable chin curtain. Inside the visor you can see that I've got the pin lock installed. So the anti-fog system, which the qualifier was not super good for. I mean, when you were rolling around on like a moderate day with the vents open, it wouldn't fog too much with their anti-fog coating. But if it was like a cold day and your breath was warm, you really it really fogged it up. So with the pin lock, anti-fog system, and then also the optional breath deflector installed, I think this is going to be a great addition. I think it looks real sexy. But the bed does not. This is not mine. Well, it is my bed, but it's not the bed I sleep on. Now to begin the long and arduous task of attaching the new camera to the new helmet. Okay, so here we have the helmet. Here we have the camera mount that I picked up. I got with the helmet. Actually, I got a pretty stellar deal on it. I think I paid $5.64 Canadian for the action cam, the live view remote, which you can see on my wrist, a bunch of mounts, a bunch of extras, an extra battery, 64 gigabyte micro SD card, just a bunch of goodies. Here we have the mount hooked up to the sticky mount with the 3M tape on the back. And what we're going to do is, I think what I want to do is put it somewhere like here so that you still get, you can see what I see, but get none of the helmet in the shot is ideally what I want to do. But we'll see how it works out. Let's get busy. the one thing I will say about this case. It is a pain to get it open. Don't know how the GoPros are, because I never had one, but this one, pretty darn tough. Alright, so, as you can see, mounted it up a little bit behind the visor. I know it looks weird, but what I'm looking at directly in front of me, the camera's looking at, so that's the way it's going to stay for now. We'll see how it goes. That 3M tape is super sticky stuff. I really like it. I've used it a lot for a lot of different purposes. And yeah. So that's the way we're going for now. So, a lot of firsts today. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. First video. First attaching a camera to a helmet. First editing. Whole lot of firsts. Thanks guys. Have a good one.